plastics that I can't see what they are right now until I remove everything. So let me get the front bumper off. So there's the front bumper off, guys. This is the worst side. So I don't know what this is for. It looks like a filter, like an air filter or something like that. But not sure. I need to make sure what this thing is for. Oh, I know what it is. It's that intake for the brake. So it comes in through here, and then it comes out right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, right there. So I had to buy that piece. So I'm missing this piece on the other side also. That's the one holding that's the bracket for the headlight. I guess I'm gonna have to put the screws back on, because I removed the screws on top thinking I needed to remove the tail light, the headlight, for me to remove the bumper, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna remove the fender. So yeah. Okay guys, so got the fender off, but it started raining, so I'm gonna have to stop because of the rain. But there it is. This thing's bent. Oh, but that's plastic. I think these things push that way a bit. I need to see once I put the new fender, but I was gonna continue tearing it off, but breaking everything apart, but it's raining, so I'm gonna stop for right now, and as soon as the water stops, the rain stops, I'm gonna continue working on the car. Okay guys, so the rain is gone for now, so I got another small spot to continue doing some work on the car. Now I'm gonna remove the front door. That's the door that I bought, guys. That one, it was 60 bucks at Pick and Pull. So I'm gonna start with the first one. It's a different color, but there's no dents and stuff like that. There's some little small scratches at the very bottom. I have the handle, so it didn't come with no handle. It didn't come with the mirror also, but I have the mirror, broken one, but it's good for now. So I still don't know if I'm gonna paint it or wrap the whole car. So like I said, this is the door. Got no panels, you got none of that stuff, but I really don't care. I have them. So to remove the door, guys, this is pretty simple. If I could get it open. Oh, and this is the key, guys. Pretty similar to the 751, but the 751 feels a lot more solid, a lot more better built than this one. This one feels pretty cheap. One thing that really sucks, guys, is this. Watch, let me show you guys. This is what I think that really sucks. That I can't believe. Look, this is a 2006. This is a 2006 and this is a 2006, so they were made the same year. So I don't understand why this car has a NOx input and this one doesn't. That's kind of weird. I'm pretty sure this one's was a lot more expensive than this one when they first came out, because they're the same year, so they came out the same year. So I don't know why that one doesn't have a NOx input and this one does. It's kind of weird. So I mean, I would have expected an aux cable on that. I would have not even, if this one has an aux input, guys. If this one has this aux input, you know, I would expect Bluetooth on that one. And it has Bluetooth, but just for calls. But I would expect at least Bluetooth for the radio. And it doesn't, so it sucks. It really sucks. This thing's coming off. I don't know if it's part of the original paint. I'll probably peel the whole thing off because it looks better. Shiny. I don't know if it looks better shiny, but I mean, it looks pretty ugly like this, peeling off. So, oh, and to remove the door, guys, this is all you need. Remove this. Let me get this thing to focus. This one and that top one. So this is what I'm using, 5/16, and that's it. So all you have to do is put it right here. It's hard. Let me find something else to do it. Okay guys, there it is. I just had to use a little bit more force, but that's the way it's gonna come off. I was thinking of doing this, but at the junkyard when I removed those other doors, it was a lot easier by removing these ones. I also got to remove this and unplug it from, remove this little screw right here and unplug it. So let me do that, guys. Let me put you guys back on the tripod. I will probably remove some of the stuff first while it's out here, because once I put it there, I don't think it'll be that hard, but it's not gonna be as easier than what it is right now. So there's a couple things that I need to change, like these cables that are all cut up and the door handle. So let me try to do that.